Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into a super important topic, natural remedies to keeping our blood arteries healthy for a strong, vibrant heart. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stick around to learn some easy and tasty ways to support your heart health naturally. Let's get started. Think of your arteries as highways, carrying oxygen-rich blood from your heart to every part of your body. But just like a busy road, they can get clogged if we don't take care of them. When plaque builds up on artery walls, it can slow down or even block blood flow, which puts extra strain on the heart and raises the risk of heart issues. The good news is there are natural ways to keep those highways clear. Foods like leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, nuts, and even dark chocolate can help protect our arteries by reducing inflammation and fighting off harmful buildup. Making these foods a part of our everyday routine can really make a difference. So, if you want a healthier heart, think about what's on your plate. Even small changes can have a big impact. Thanks for joining me, and here's to taking simple steps toward a healthier heart. Today, let's talk about nourishing our arteries with foods that support heart health and keep those blood vessels functioning at their best. First up, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for reducing inflammation. Inflammation in our arteries can lead to plaque buildup over time, which restricts blood flow and puts extra pressure on our heart. By including fatty fish in your diet, you're giving your arteries the nutrients they need to stay clear and flexible. Next, let's talk about dark leafy greens like spinach and kale. These are powerhouses for artery health. They're rich in antioxidants and fiber, which help prevent cholesterol from oxidizing and damaging the artery walls. A simple salad with spinach or kale can go a long way in protecting your heart from the inside out. And don't forget citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits. These are packed with vitamin C, which supports artery elasticity and helps combat oxidative stress. Just enjoying an orange or a glass of fresh grapefruit juice can make a big difference. So, next time you're planning a meal, think about these artery-friendly foods. With just a few tweaks, you're not only nourishing your body, but also giving your heart the support it needs. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, small choices today lead to a healthier heart tomorrow. Next, we're exploring natural ingredients and supplements that can support heart health by keeping our arteries in top shape. Adding these to your routine is simple and can make a big difference. Let's start with garlic. This powerhouse ingredient contains allicin, a compound known to help lower blood pressure and even reduce plaque buildup in our arteries. A great way to include garlic is by crushing a clove and adding it to warm water first thing in the morning. It's a quick, easy boost to start your day and set the tone for your heart health. Next up, we have turmeric paired with black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that supports healthy arteries. Adding black pepper to turmeric helps our bodies absorb curcumin more effectively, so they're a perfect pair. You can mix them into warm water or your favorite recipes to get these benefits daily. And don't forget apple cider vinegar. It's known for balancing pH levels in the body, which may support arterial health and even help prevent plaque buildup. Just a tablespoon in a glass of water before meals is all it takes to add a heart-friendly boost. So, if you're looking to support your heart naturally, consider adding garlic, turmeric with black pepper, and apple cider vinegar to your routine. Small daily habits can make a big impact over time. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to a heart-healthy journey. Next, we're going to focus on some heart-healthy beverages that can support our arteries and keep blood flowing smoothly. These drinks are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that promote healthy arteries and reduce inflammation. First, let's talk about green tea with a squeeze of lemon. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation in the body, including in our arteries. When you add a squeeze of lemon, you get a boost of vitamin C, which supports artery health by protecting against oxidative stress. This refreshing drink can be a perfect start to your day or a midday pick-me-up. Next, hibiscus tea is another excellent choice. Studies have shown that hibiscus tea may help lower blood pressure, which is great for reducing the strain on our arteries. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants that support overall heart health. The vibrant color and tart taste make it a lovely, heart-friendly beverage you can enjoy hot or iced. And finally, let's not forget about berry smoothies. Berries, especially blueberries, are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that may help reduce plaque formation in the arteries. Blending berries with Greek yogurt not only makes a creamy smoothie, but also adds probiotics, which support gut and heart health. So, next time you're looking for a drink that's both delicious and heart healthy, try a green tea with lemon, a soothing hibiscus tea, or a refreshing berry smoothie. Each sip brings you closer to a stronger heart. Thanks for watching, and let's keep our hearts happy and healthy. Friends, I want to share a few simple daily habits that can make a big difference in protecting your heart and keeping your arteries healthy. First, let's talk about regular exercise. Aerobic activities like walking, swimming, or even dancing are great for heart health. These types of exercise get the blood pumping, which helps keep our arteries clear and reduces the risk of plaque buildup. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. Even a brisk 30-minute walk each day can do wonders for your heart and overall well-being. Next, managing stress is just as important for heart health. Chronic stress can take a toll on our bodies, especially on the walls of our arteries, increasing the risk of damage over time. To counter this, find stress-relieving practices that work for you. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even taking time to enjoy a favorite hobby can help lower stress levels and give your heart a break. It's all about finding balance in your day-to-day life. Incorporating these habits, regular exercise, and stress management doesn't have to be complicated. Small, consistent efforts make a big impact on heart health. Thanks for joining me, and remember, every positive step we take is a gift to our heart. Let's talk about some lifestyle adjustments that can make a big difference for your heart health, especially when it comes to keeping your arteries healthy and clear. Small changes to our daily habits can add up to lasting benefits, so let's dive in. First, a balanced diet is key. Try to focus on whole grains, lean proteins, and lots of fruits and vegetables. These foods provide the nutrients and fiber that support heart health and help prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. Whole grains, for example, offer steady energy and help maintain stable blood sugar, which is essential for overall artery health. Next, it's important to limit processed foods and added sugars. Highly processed foods and excess sugar can increase inflammation, leading to damage in our arteries over time. By choosing more natural, whole foods, we can help keep inflammation in check and protect our blood vessels from potential harm. And don't forget about healthy fats. Instead of saturated and trans fats, which can clog arteries, reach for fats from sources like avocados, olive oil, and nuts. These fats not only add flavor to our meals, but also support artery health by providing anti-inflammatory benefits without the risk of buildup. Making these lifestyle adjustments can have a lasting impact on your heart and overall health. It's all about making mindful choices each day to support a strong, healthy heart. Thanks for watching, and here's to small changes that add up to a lifetime of heart health. Let's dive into the powerful role of fiber in keeping our arteries clean and our heart healthy. Fiber-rich foods aren't just good for digestion, they're essential for maintaining clear, healthy arteries too. Starting with whole grains like oats, quinoa, and barley, these foods are packed with fiber that can actively reduce cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is a major contributor to artery blockage, so adding whole grains to your diet can really make a difference. Plus, whole grains provide steady energy and help keep blood sugar stable, which is another important factor in artery health. Then we have legumes, lentils, chickpeas, and beans. These are high in soluble fiber, which works like a natural sweep for bad cholesterol, helping to keep our arteries clean and free-flowing. Just adding a serving of beans or lentils to your meals can go a long way in supporting heart health. And let's not forget flax seeds and chia seeds. These tiny seeds are loaded with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and maintain smooth, flexible artery walls. A sprinkle of flax or chia seeds on your oatmeal or smoothie can be a simple way to boost heart health. Adding fiber-rich foods to your routine is an easy but powerful step toward a healthier heart and cleaner arteries. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, each small choice counts when it comes to heart health. Next, let's talk about the power of plant-based antioxidants for heart health. These amazing foods are not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants that help protect our arteries and support overall heart function. First up, we have tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its ability to protect against plaque buildup. What's interesting is that cooked tomatoes release even more lycopene, so enjoying tomato sauces, soups, or stews can actually boost your antioxidant intake and give your arteries some extra protection. Next, let's look at pomegranates. Studies suggest that pomegranates may reduce arterial plaque and help lower blood pressure, thanks to their high levels of antioxidants. Plus, they boost nitric oxide production in the body, which relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. A glass of pomegranate juice or a handful of seeds can be a tasty, heart-friendly addition to your day. And finally, green apples. These crunchy treats are high in quercetin, an antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. Just one green apple a day can be a simple way to add heart protective benefits to your routine. So, adding these antioxidant-rich foods, tomatoes, pomegranates, and green apples to your diet can really make a difference for heart health. Thanks for watching, and here's to making every bite count for a stronger heart. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more insights and healthy recipes.